to make ice cream using banana, walnuts and chocolate spread. It's a very simple recipe. Macros will be below as always, and hopefully you can make this at home and enjoy. Thank you very much. So the first thing we need is 2 bananas. We need to peel them and chop them into small pieces, put them in a tub ready to go in the freezer. The recipe works much better with bananas that are not green, so you want them that are slightly overripe so they're soft. It's easy to chop and it'll be easy to blend later on. So now the bananas are chopped, I'm just going to put them into a Tupperware tub to go in the freezer, leave them overnight to freeze. So using the magic of television, here's one I froze earlier. And as you can see, they're frozen solid. So now we just need to break them up a little bit and pop them into the blender. That's where everything went wrong. The brand new blender I bought yesterday broke, so I had to go to the Nutri-Ninja. So using the blender was very quiet compared to the Nutri-Ninja, so I'm about to make lots of noise. My apologies for that. What we need to do first is pulse the banana before we go full speed blending. So now we've pulsed it a little bit, we need to shake it up to get it unstuck from the bottom. You have to repeat this a few times. With the blender it's definitely quicker. So now I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegan chocolate spread. This increases the flavour quite a lot and it also helps the consistency. Once you've finished adding the chocolate spread, feel free to lick the spoon. I promise I won't tell anybody. And now I'm going to add roughly 20 grams or a handful of walnuts. This increases the fibre, the potassium, iron and calcium, but it also gives a bit of a bite to the ice cream. The consistency now is smooth and sticky, so no more blending needed for the ice cream. The ice cream is now put into a serving bowl and can be enjoyed. Thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to like or subscribe and leave comments below. Much love, the vegan method.